Well, today what we're doing is we're going to have some Gardein meatless 7-grain crispy tenders.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Now these look just like delicious chicken or imitation chicken. Well, they're not. They're vegan, made with plant-based proteins. Didn't want you to be surprised by this. Alright, this is non-GMO, project verified. It has 7 grams of protein per servings. It's ready in 10 minutes, which is a really good idea because I just come back from my class and I'm tired. No cholesterol and only 100 calories. Okay, you can see here, yeah, I've been on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Get social with us at www.gardein.com. And what is really cool is that they have this UPC sticker and they have knives, forks, and spoons. I thought that was a kind of a cool little way of presenting that. Alright, so we're going to open it up. It's a self-resealable bag, so that's a good thing. Okay, we're going to open it up here like this. And where there's little indentations on the very tip over here, and that's where you cut. Microwave safe plate. It's like 9:30, 10 o'clock now. Well, these are really small pieces, so I'm going to have 4. So that's going to be like 200 calories right there. I already add my salad. I thought I'd add something a little extra, so I'm going to beat that. Okay, now. Conventional oven is preheat to 430 degrees. When the oven is hot, bake frozen tenders for 16 to 20 minutes, turning once until crispy. Cook it in the oven. That makes the most sense. Now see, I bought this gigantic 2-pound container, and it's going to be perfect for the moving day. And so we're going to go to the oven. Press bake and move it to 430 degrees. Okay, and then when it beeps, I'll put it into a let's see. Oh my goodness, I just remembered no pans because I have packed them all. So I have to come up with a different way to cook it. Okay, so there's no pans, but there is an oven safe carafe. So we're going to put this in the carafe, and it'll be just fine, and we'll cook it this way. So as soon as the oven is ready, we'll put it in the oven, and then we're going to cook it for 16 to 20 minutes. So our oven is very high. It runs on the hot side, so we'll probably cook it for 8 minutes on one side, 8 minutes on the other side, for a total of 16 minutes, or until it's golden brown and we just can't wait to eat it. Okay, so see you in a little bit. So the oven just came on right now at 430 degrees, and I have the tenders in the oven. So we're going to close this door, and we're going to run right over to the timer, and we're going to put in 16 minutes. And there it is. Alright, so go over and turn off your timer, and then turn off your oven so that you have no indicator on, and let it vent a little bit. Make sure if your puppy, if you have a dog, doesn't come too close to it. And then you're going to put your little snack here because it's about 9:30 my time right now, so this is a very, very late dinner. Oven door. Now you're going to see that the tops have been removed. The breading is because because normally you put it on a grill pan, maybe it does a better job of crisping it up, but some of the breading was lost as I flipped it over in this glass container. It's very hot right now. We'll stick this over here and we'll leave it alone to let it cool down. And then we'll now Normally I put in tomato paste or tomato sauce, but I don't have any of that because it's not available right now. So I'm just going to put a little bit of mayonnaise on top. This is vegan mayonnaise. Follow your heart mayonnaise. And just put a little bit, don't get carried away because remember this is fat. Okay, that's probably more than I should probably ingest. Alright, so you can see it's a more balanced meal. You have the imitation chicken tenders with some fresh flash frozen vegetables and a little bit of corn. And because it's so late, you don't want to eat too much so that you have a upset stomach over the night, but you have enough to fill yourself up. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll show you some more of these recipes with this Gardein chicken tenders, meatless chicken tenders.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.